I'm approaching a blind bend, so I slow down. The road sign on my left tells me the road narrows and to expect oncoming vehicles in the middle of the road. The roundabout sign tells me I'm following the road ahead because I can't go left for the weight restriction and I can't go right because it's a no-through road. Observing the roundabout. Now I can see the other side. However, there's an oncoming vehicle, so I must slow down to see where it's going. I cannot see around the corner. At the same time, I will need the other side of the road where the large vehicle is. The large vehicle is coming straight ahead also, so we both need to move at the same time, so we can cross each other and be able to use the other side of the road. As I go through, I check my mirrors, I check him passing, and I look ahead. As I look, I see another vehicle approaching. This is where I stop. I need that vehicle to come through because I need to use the other side of the road. So I need him to clear so I can progress. As he clears, I make sure it's safe to move on. I use the other side of the road, checking my left mirror to make sure I'm clear of the curb. Then come onto my side of the road again, ensuring I can see the white line. Slowing down for the oncoming van. Doing my checks to make sure he's passed safely.